SOUN is trending. This is Friday, the 27th of February 2026, up 1.63%. So far, 9 million shares have crossed the tape. 50-day average is usually 25 million shares. Have to borrow, but no meaningful borrow rate. The company it revealed its latest earnings outcomes and reported record annual revenue, a GAAP profit, and robust 2026 guidance, sparking strong bullish sentiment among investors. The committee of investors and traders is actively debating the potential for a short squeeze, given its high short interest, though some members remain cautious about the company's long-term profitability trajectory. In the last video, that is the prelude to its earnings outcomes, we told you that it was going to be an update to yes today, yeah, and that is what we have. And the extrapolation was saying then that it might the peak of this bounce that began all the way back in on the 18th of February is expected to the peak is expected to be on Friday the 6th. After that, it might contract somewhat. So the stock is actually it's been showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term neutral to bearish trend. So for now, it is technically still contracting. Yeah, still correcting. Anytime soon, it may go into a consolidation phase. The reason why I say that is because for you to have a contraction or a correction phase or state of the whole structure, you need to have the fastest moving average is leading. So the 10, 21, 40, 200, as the case may be, depending on whichever moving averages you're using. So they all have the fastest has to be leading in either direction, downwards or upwards. So for now, the 10-day moving average is leading. It's leading, it's leading. Yeah, it's leading because even though we have the structure as if you look at it, if you want to look at it in the correct contractive sense, then yeah, if you want to look at it that way, then you have that structure in place. You have here 10, 21, 40, 200. But if you want to look at it at the um, trending phase, accelerating phase, we don't have it yet. We don't have it yet. It has to even go into a consolidation phase and then it go into that, because it's the stock is still the 21-day moving average still has that corrective structure, still has that corrective and state, so but that's just by the way, but it's not really by the way. Look at what we have here. Consolidation is what is expected. So that is what we are going to face. So this is if this is anything to go by, if there's any doubt about this, we have to look at what is about to happen. We have to look at what is about to happen. The 10-day moving average is going to cross over and go and mix up things. It's not when it goes there, there's a chance that the 21-day will not have responded. There's a chance it may still be below the 40-day, so we'll have a mix of things going on there. So this is likely what we should expect the consolidation to play out all the way towards the 10th of April. There's also a chance that it wouldn't even go beyond its 200-day moving average. So even if the 10 and 21-day moving averages go above the 40-day moving average and they're still below the 200-day moving average, we still have a consolidation. Yeah. Let's see what we have on its price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have. Okay, so volatility is what is expected in line with this extrapolation. Let's see what we are going to see on its 21-day moving average. Let's see, same as well, pretty much the same, pretty much the same, pretty much the same. Yes. Yeah, it's just that the 10-day moving average, being a fast moving average, is going to its deeps might may they may run deep. They may run deep, unlike that of the 21-day moving average, yes. So, in other words, yeah, some volatility is really expected because if we have the 21-day moving average not running that deep, then it means that a lot might be happening, a lot might be happening, and also meaning that it may not, yes, it may not, it's going to be volatile, yes. It may not maintain from time to time, it may not hold some of the prices it may print in the coming days, Yeah, that's also what it's indicating, yes. Okay, less because if it does, then the 21-day moving average will have enough time to plot through its derivatives, Okay, let's see now. So they are all chiming, they are all in unison, they are all aligning the 10 and 21-day moving averages for now, all the way towards early April. Let's see what the 40 and the 200-day moving average are doing. Okay, yes. Yeah. 200-day moving average is flat, expected to remain flat. So yes, nothing much is nothing, not no big change as such. Well, even though yes, some might happen, some amount of change might happen, but the 40-day moving averages, yeah, at some point may begin to pick up as well. So can we say we have some alignment to some extent? On the 10 and 21-day moving averages, we have some alignment, but not the 200-day moving average. So that's why a consolidation is expected because we have, if you like, if you say, I mean, if the moving averages are not aligning completely, then if all four have to align, if they're not aligning, then we know we are going to possibly go into a consolidation phase. So and we just we saw that's what we saw over the earlier on. So we can also have a look at the weekly chart. Let's see whether we have anything there, whether we have extrapolations on the weekly chart. We may not have extrapolations in the weekly chart. No, no extrapolations. Yeah. Okay, I think, did we mention the projections on this daily chart? We have 8.79, 9.49, 9.44, 9.86. It's currently trading at 9.12. Yeah, so see what you make of SOUN, and thank you very much for watching this video.